Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be featuring a vintage style picnic tablescape. So guys, today is Tablescape Tuesday and we have a guest. But first, I want to say that this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Guys, we have a guest. I was a guest at the beginning of the month, and today our guest is none other than other at home with Lisa. Guys, I will leave the link of the host in my description box below and the guest host link for their channel in my description box below. So guys, I'm using this. This is a throw. I have a tablecloth, a vintage tablecloth underneath, a white vintage tablecloth, but I wanted to use this because I am using vintage chinoiserie. And you know, chinoiserie comes in many different colors. But yes, guys, and I also have the throw in an angle that is not straight across the table. It's, shifted. So I am using my two placemats and the center of the table, and I am doing mixed patterns of the chinoiserie that I am going to use. I am using my brown, red placemats, which I think it goes perfect with this table setting. So I'm doing a table for four, like I said, and I am doing mixed patterns. So I'm going to start by placing my dinner plate. So as you guys can see, I am using this chinoiserie. So, oh, I gotta get my chargers. So, hold on guys. I am using my I do have red chargers, but I don't want to use red chargers because I am using my red placemat. I'm using my white chargers in the vintage style, which it goes perfect with this table. So like I said, I'm using two types of chinoiserie. I will be placing this one on the end. And some of them I'm still wet because I actually washed them. I hadn't packed away. It's very rare that I use. This is the second time that I have used this chinoiserie. These ones are from memory lane 19. Oh, I can't see, guys. Let me grab my glasses. I'll be right back. All right, like I was saying, these are memory lane 1965 Royal Ironstone underglaze made in USA. Okay. And then these ones are Johnson's Brother made in England. Yes. And these ones are signed Road Memory 19. This one, it says this castle, for example, right in the center, is signed right here, the name of the castle, and it was built in 1792. These ones were a gift from my sister. So I'm using this right there, and then we are going to use two style close, okay, guys? So, this one I'm going to use to serve, and this ones are the bowls right here. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Like I said, some of them are still wet because I washed them. So, like so. You guys gonna see like little drips of water, but it's okay. And then these ones are the bowl for the other ones. So I'm using this like this. All right, guys. Now I'm going to stop right there and bring a little bit of progress because I want to get my glasses. I am using DIY coasters in black and gold. You guys can see I have my 3 mirrors from the Dollar Tree here on the table. Right on the center, it's not on the center, quite on the center. All right, and with that, I will be using my clear glasses and my red glasses. And the reason why I'm using black coaster is because it's going to bring all the colors of the table together, and you guys gonna see what I mean once I finish accommodating everything. Okay. Let me put the rest of my glasses. Okay, where are the rest of my glass? Oh boy, hold on. I'm going to be using these little boxes that they go on the wall, but I don't have them on the wall. And one says prayer is the key to heaven, but faith unlocks the door. And the other one says love is the master key that opens the heart. And it's true. The love for God is the key to open your heart, and prayer to the Lord above is what brings you to heaven. Guys, there's a lot of power in prayer, but some people don't know that. All right, I put my napkins, I put some things on the table. I'm using my Valentine hearts. I don't know where I'm going to place it, so I'm going to place it right over here. I also want to add, you guys know that I always have a teapot on my table for after we are done eating, so I'm going to place that there because I'm actually going to put a piece of cake on the table from the last cake that I did. And the table is going to be used actually for when my husband comes home. We're going to sit down and eat dinner in it. Also want to use my key where it signifies a lot for me and my husband. So I want to place it right here. And the key is from the Dollar Tree, but it's from the Dollar Tree first started. So it's actually a vintage key. I'm using my candelabra. You see what I say, guys? This is why I use my black coasters. I'm using my candelabras. I'm going to be adding some more touches on the table. Okay. I keep in my same flower arrangement, but I did add some red roses to it, which is right here. And right now I am looking that the candles are close to the flower arrangement. So I'm going to fix that because we don't want no accidents when I light up the candles. I'm also using my platter to place my cream and sugar. And I am not using a teapot today. I am using a coffee pot. Okay, guys? And then I got my serving bowl right here. I will be placing the cream and sugar next to my coffee pot. Okay. And I got grapes here, which I will place over here. And I have the cake here. This is a double chocolate cake with my husband's favorite frosting, which is cream cheese frosting, homemade. The cake is a box cake, but I added some of the ingredients, and when you eat it, it tastes like it's from a bakery. And I'm telling you that because that's what I did for 20 plus years. I manage a kitchen, and that's how the cakes are. All right, guys, I want to place my vintage garland because they have the colors of some of the flowers. So I want to place it here between my two little signs to give the vintage impression. Guys, I think I am done. And I hope, Lisa, that you like what I put together for my Valentine's Vantage Tablescape, Vantage and Modern at the same time. And I'm also using DIYs. Like for examples, my napkins, rings are DIY. I made those myself. I know you guys cannot see good for right there, but I'm going to bring you guys close once I turn off the lights and I turn on the fairy lights and all the lights that I got on the table. So guys, with that being said, let me do that and bring you guys right back for a close-up. All right, guys, when I said we have to be careful when we light up a candle, this is what I mean. Too close to the candles. So I turn them sideways a little bit just to get them far away from the flowers. And I'm going to turn off the light and I'm going to bring you guys close. And guys, I did not notice that. You know who noticed that? My service dog. He noticed it. So guys, this is my table. This is what it looks like from the top. I will bring you guys closer. This is my coffee pot. All the little lights are on. I have my fairy lights and my flower arrangement on. Lisa, I hope you like what I put together. I think I did a wonderful job. I love it. There is the chocolate cake. I put a little piece of chocolate in each plate, a heart-shaped chocolate. I'm using my napkin DIY rings. Let me turn on the lights so you guys can see everything good. I put my little baby bears there. I'm still shaking, guys. So you see the camera shaking because I'm shaking. But anyways, guys, here it is. My tablescape. So this is maybe about half an hour later because I had to calm my dog down because he was barking loudly to get my attention. So there it is. And I have my grapes there, guys. So let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.